Hi everyone, today I'm making puris. I'm going to show you how to prepare it. So here I have around 2 cups of wheat flour, and now I'm going to add in some salt to it. Salt is as per your taste. Some olive oil here. You could use any oil you want. I have olive oil in hand now, so I'm gonna eyeball it, just 2 teaspoons of oil, then mix this well. I'm gonna use my hands because I feel that's best here to incorporate the oil into the wheat flour. So once you mix this up, we're going to add some water and make it into a soft dough. It should be a chapati dough consistency. Add water little by little. Now everything it's come together, so I'm going to knead it well for another minute or so, and then going to rest it for 15 minutes. So this is a soft dough now. You see it? Poke it. See, it's not sticking to your finger. It's coming out clean. This is what we want. So make the dough, roll the dough like this, and make it into small size balls, and we're gonna roll it out just like this. Right there, you take one, press it, and then you're gonna roll it out. I'm holding the phone with my one hand and I'm just rolling with another hand, so I hope you all understand. Roll it to the desired size. That's why I rolled out a few there before I started the video on. Okay, that's how you roll it. So I rolled out a few here, and while my oil is heating here, I just rolled out and kept aside so that I can just start frying them once the oil is hot enough. So for me, I don't focus on getting them very round in shape, because that really doesn't affect the taste or how well they puff up. To test the oil to see if it's hot enough, I'm just going to take a small drop of the dough and then just drop it. You see, it is not almost rising immediately, so the oil still needs to heat up a little bit more because it's still not floating. So let the oil heat up a little bit more, and then we'll fry it again. Okay, you see it immediately rose to the surface. So that's perfect. Now let's fry the puris one by one. You see how well it pops up? There it is. Now let's fry another one here. I'll show you a few more. Every individual puri will puff up. Just need to follow my method. I guarantee that. It's a very good recipe that I developed over the years. Look at that beauty there. into another one. Flip it on the other side. And one big thing is they don't soak in the oil. See, look at that. It's the least amount of oil they take to fry, and they don't catch a lot of oil. Another one. See guys, every single puri pops up. Every single one. See guys, every single puri is puffed up. Can you serve it on a plate for my child to eat? You can see this. Ready to eat. This is the palya, the potato sagu, you can say. Look at that. So this is the final video for you guys. Here I have this potato. As I said before, it's potato sabzi, and these are the puris. I made this a little bigger one because my son likes some few small sizes and one bigger size. He's just a toddler, but yes, I know he wouldn't be eating this all. That's how he likes it to be plated for him and served, even though he just eats one or two at the max. Alright, I hope you guys try, and if you have any questions, please comment below. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Thank you.